11 habits bakit until now naghihirap ka pa rin financially kahit may salary or income ka per month. Number 1, living beyond your means. Gusto mo maging mukhang mayaman kahit wala pa. Build first, flex later. Number 2, impulsive spending. Bibilhin kahit hindi naman kailangan. Para lang mayroon i-flex sa social media. Social now, ulubi later. Number 3, no budgeting. Gastos ng gastos, puro Shopee. Pag may promo, bili agad. Kaya in the end, walang ipon. Number 4, always borrowing money. Mangungutang kasi may bagong labas na gadget. Pag kulang ang pera, ang solusyon mangungutang. Ang ending, problema. Dapat pag kulang ang income, maghanap ng sideline or side hustle. Tanggalin mo muna ang kaartehan at pagiging choosy. Number 5, wasting time on entertainment. Puro ka ML, maghapon Facebook, kaya hindi productive. The new currency is your time. Use your time wisely and productively. Dapat buhos mo oras mo sa growth and pag-level up mo. Number 6, new investment. Dahil 99% of your income napupunta sa basic needs and useless expenses. Number 7, no financial education. Dahil wala kang right mentor about money matters, find a mentor about financial and growth mindset. Number 8, negative mindset. Hindi ko kaya yan. Swerte sila, mayaman kasi sila. Ganito lang ako. It's a big mistake. Walang growth yan. The rich think for opportunities, the poor think excuses. Number 9, wrong circle of friends. Kung sino palagi kasama mo, yun din ang galaw at paano ka mag-isip. Surround yourself with doers, not doubters. Number 10, no clear goals without direction. Kahit anong effort, same result pa din. Paikot-ikot lang. Kung baga, bahala na si Batman. Number 11, giving up too early. Konting hirap lang, ayaw na. Success takes consistency and commitment. So now, you know.